You hear big sighing, that's me because I'm getting a little nervous.
Wow, that's a lot of freaking bracecomb. It almost feels like I'm having a softer wood. Sorry, girls. Now, some of the more experienced bee enthusiasts may be wondering what this guy's thinking. I guess now's the time when I find out whether or not they can or cannot sting through these blue gloves.
I bet they can. Wow. Okay. I have got these all over me.
Okay, I don't know if you can see this or not. Honey, come here. There's just a lot of capped honey. If you can see the capped cells there underneath. But at the bottom, not so much. So this is bar 1. It's not the one I want. There are a number of bees that are taking great exception to me being in here. Without this equipment, I'm sure I would have been stung many times by now. Oh, this one is very, very heavy. Holy smokes. Honey, take a look at that. That looks
like capped on the top.
This one's not full at the bottom. May not be the wire I want, but that's a nice bar.
As you look inside the hive there, you can see what's capped on the top half of the next one, and what's not capped at the bottom. Where it's white, meaning the wax is capping it over, or the bees have kept over the wax. So this next one we don't want either. We were told that the green honey, which is the honey that's not capped, is not very tasty, so you don't want that in with your mix of the honey that you're making.
This too is a very heavy bar, and just like what looked like pretty much the other ones, we've got capped about 3/4 of the way down. Now, can you see in those bottom cells, is there any nectar or anything in there?
It looks like pollen. There's some pollen.
You can see pollen in there?
Yeah.
Okay.